In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find YouTube video ideas using Ubersuggest. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to the Ubersuggest website at neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. This is the workspace you'll be using to research keyword opportunities and discover content ideas that are more likely to match what people are actively searching for. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a second so everything appears properly before moving on. Once you're on the site, head to the main search box. Here, you'll type in the core keyword or theme that represents your video creation channel. In other words, enter the main topic your channel focuses on. This could be a broad niche or a specific content category, depending on how targeted you want your ideas to be. Try to use a keyword phrase that clearly reflects your content direction, because that will help generate more relevant suggestions. After entering your keyword, look for the search engine setting or filter and switch it specifically to YouTube. This step is important because you want the results to be based on YouTube search behavior rather than general web search. By changing the platform setting to YouTube, you're making sure the keyword ideas are more aligned with the kind of content people are actually looking for on that platform. Next, click the search button to run your keyword query. Once the results page opens, move over to the left-hand navigation panel. In that sidebar, select Keyword Ideas. This section is where Ubersuggest expands your original keyword into a wider range of related search phrases, which is exactly what you need when planning new video topics. Now that you're in Keyword Ideas, start looking through the results for phrases with strong search volume that are written as questions. Pay close attention to keywords that begin with wording like how to or why, since these often translate naturally into compelling video titles and useful educational content. Question-based phrases are especially valuable because they reflect real audience curiosity and can help you create videos that directly answer what viewers want to know. As you review the list, focus on the phrases that best match your channel theme and audience interest. These question-style keywords can instantly become your next video concepts, giving you a practical and search-driven way to plan content. If you stay consistent with this process, you'll build a stronger pipeline of ideas based on demand instead of guessing what to make next. That's how to use Ubersuggest to quickly uncover better YouTube video topics.